Welcome to Chiro, modern chiropractic care designed for city life. Daily stress and long hours can affect how your spine moves. Posture changes, and simple movement starts to feel restricted. A chiropractic adjustment at Chiro restores alignment and mobility. Licensed chiropractors use precise, gentle techniques to realign the spine. Each session begins with a consultation and exam. Members receive a monthly nervous system scan to monitor spinal health. Adjustments help reduce pressure, ease tension, and improve flexibility. Consistent care keeps your body balanced and ready for daily activity. Experience modern chiropractic care built for your lifestyle. Book your visit through the Chiro app or website at getchiro.com.